that I never should have said. And I know you're hurting, but I've been somewhere else. I closed my eyes and all I ever saw was her, and my head was burning. And it's not okay, it's not alright, but I can't take it back. I just tried to feel something I only felt when we started drinking. I know it isn't fair, 'cause I've been selfish and I wasn't thinking, 'cause I still loved someone else. I just tried to feel something that wasn't there, no, 'cause you were never mine, I was never yours. So sick of hiding it. My heart's not in it, and I don't think it's ever been. And I'm tired of fighting. I fucking hate that I've been lying for all of these years. You asked me all about her, and I said you got nothing to fear, that I'd let her go. And it's not okay, it's not alright. I held you close when I was down, but honestly, it was always gonna be somebody else. I just tried to feel something I only felt when we started drinking. I know it isn't fair, 'cause I've been selfish and I wasn't thinking, 'cause I still love someone else. I just tried to feel something that wasn't there, no, 'cause you were never mine, I was never yours. I was never yours. No, I was never yours. I was never yours.
Lord, I wish I knew 20 years ago, so before I went blue. I've been waiting for someone to cut me loose. I didn't recognize those sad-eyed eyes. All along I was you. I've been kicking the can way too long now. I've been kicking the can way too long now. Peace, say hello to heaven. Searching for the boy I once outgrew. Those days when everything went to 11, I can honestly say I cried the day that Chris Cornell died. And I've been kicking the can way too long now. I've been kicking the can way too long now. Lord, I wish I knew 20 years ago or so before I went blue. I've been waiting for someone to cut me loose. I didn't recognize those sad eyes. All along I was you. Those sad eyes. Some say real men don't cry, so why the hell do I? I've been kicking the can way too long now. I've been kicking the can way too long now. I've been kicking the can way too long now. Lord, I wish I knew 20 years ago or so before I went blue. I've been waiting for someone to cut me loose. I didn't recognize those sad eyes. All along I was you. I didn't recognize those sad eyes. All along I was you. Those sad eyes. Some say real men don't cry, so why the hell do I?